Now at noon, convicted serial killer Anthony Kirkland has been sentenced to death by a judge. The decision was handed down this morning, several weeks after his resentencing hearing. 9 on your side's TJ Parker was in the courtroom, and he joins us live with reaction. TJ.
Good afternoon, Ryan. Yeah, there wasn't much reaction from Anthony Kirkland as Judge Patrick Dinkelhocker handed down that death sentence just about a few hours ago, but there were plenty of hugs between the prosecutors and the victim's family. Both victims, Esme Kenney as well as Cassandra Crawford's family, were inside the courtroom. Judge Dinkelhocker told Kirkland that as a believer in the rule of law and justice, having to impose the death penalty on the worst of the worst, that basically there was no question in doing so for Kirkland. In a last-ditch effort, Kirkland's lawyers again tried telling the judge that Kirkland suffers from an untreated brain disease, among many other things, that compelled him to rape and murder Esme Kenney and Cassandra Crawford. When asked if he had anything to say, Kirkland didn't mention anything about the two teens, rather questioned the judge about a court fee. In the end, Kirkland was escorted from the courtroom. We did catch up with Hamilton County Prosecutor Joe Dieters and Cassandra Crawford's mother after the sentencing.
I've tried 4 serial killers in my life. He is the worst of the worst, and he cannot be killed by the state of Ohio soon enough for me.
He took a lot of life from us. He took a lot of life from us. She was a joy. She honestly was. She was a joy. And I was thinking about on the way down here, them chubby cheeks, them big old bright eyes, you know, and it's just hard. It's hard.
Now Kirkland is scheduled to be sentenced, or executed, that is, March 7th, 2019. That is 10 years to the date of Esme Kenney's death. Of course, his trial lawyers asking the judge, or telling the judge today, that they will appeal that sentence. We're live downtown. I'm TJ Parker, 9 on your side.